Hello everyone and thanks for joining me today. My name is Jay and you are watching Step by Step Coding. I'm so glad you are here. Just a little background about me. I have been in software development industry for almost a decade. I have been planning to create a comprehensive C#.NET interview series for quite some time. And I'm super excited to finally share it with all of you. So today I'm kicking off a brand new series. And trust me, this one is going to be epic. I'm calling it the C Sharp Deep Dive 100 Questions, 100 Episodes. Yes, my friends, the 100 most frequently asked C Sharp questions. And each question will have its own very dedicated episode. So, why deep dive? Why this approach? Because the goal is not just to clear interviews, it is truly master C Sharp through these questions. My goal is simple. C Sharp is huge, vast, and incredibly deep language. Concepts that seem straightforward often have multiple layers of nuances, hidden complexities, and best practices that a quick one liner answer just cannot cover. And frankly, those answers don't really help you grow. So instead of just scratching the surface, I'm going for deep dives. In every episode, I will pick one question, something you have probably heard before, but maybe never got the chance to fully understand. I will break it down completely what the concept is, why it matters, how it works under the hood, and when to use it, and most importantly, when to avoid it. We will look at clear code examples, discuss pros and cons, and truly get to the heart of each topic. To give you a clear roadmap of this series, I have organized these 100 questions into 12 logical modules. Think of each module as a focused learning block building on the last. So let's take a quick tour. We start with Module 1, Fundamental of C Sharp. We will begin with absolute basics, what C Sharp is, and some of the basics like code references like value versus reference types, boxing, unboxing. This is going to set our essential foundation. Then we are going to move into Module 2. Here we are going to dive a little bit deeper with practical examples, exploring access modifiers properties and the incredible power of async and await. Next, we are going to dedicate 2 entire modules to object-oriented programming. First, Module 3, OOPS Part 1, where we are going to cover the main 4 concepts of OOPS and explore solid essential principles. And in Module 4, Part 2, we will go even further and we will cover the topics like generics, extension methods, and powerful record types, which got introduced in C# 9.0. Then we zoom out to the broader .NET ecosystem in Module 5. We will demystify the CLR, understand assemblies, and explore NuGet packages. And continuing that, in Module 6, we are going to cover about ASP.NET fundamentals from dependency injection to entity framework for data access. We all know that data is the king. So we are going to cover the link queue and collections and helps you master C# collections and become fluent in link queue for efficient data handling. Because things can go wrong. So in Module 8, we are going to cover error handling and quality. we will learn different types of exception handling techniques, effective logging, and how to debug like a pro. For snappy and responsive applications, we are going to cover async and multi-threading. You will learn to conquer asynchronous programming and multi-threading to keep apps fast and responsive. In Module 10, we are going to learn about how to build softwares in a secure manner. So we are going to tackle some of the common security risks like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and we will talk about how you can keep your application safe. Then it's time to write truly beautiful and maintainable code with Module 11, writing good code, and we will cover some main design patterns and best practices. We will explore the key design patterns and best practices, and you will see why unit testing is essential for quality code. And finally, we are going to wrap up this series with module 12, where we are going to get into some mind-bending powerful stuff like reflection, spanty, and cutting-edge word of source generators. Sounds like a lot, honestly, right? This series is meant to be your ultimate C# companion. Whether you are just starting out, a junior developer preparing for the interview, or even a seasoned pro looking for a refresher, I truly believe there is something here for everyone. My promise to you is clarity, depth, and practical knowledge you can use right away. So if you are ready to master C# with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you are excited, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single deep dive. Our very first deep dive tackling question number 1, which is what is C#, is coming up next. I can't wait to start this journey with you all. Thanks so much for listening, and I will see you in next one.